Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Canvas Universe. Today we are going to know how we can use Canva to record ourselves. So first of all we are going to search for Canva, then click on this option. Next you are going to go to videos, click on video, which is the first option. Then click on uploads, click on record yourself. So here is our main screen. There are three different settings that Canva provides us. The first is camera, second is camera and screen, and last is screen. Each of them have their own major roles to play. We are going to discuss each of them one by one. The first option says camera. This only shows your camera, not your screen. You can adjust the camera from here and there. Second option is camera and screen. Let's see. Here your camera and screen both are being shown. You can adjust here and there again. Click on record, but for now I think I'm good with without recording, so I'll delete this recording again. And last is screen. This only shows your screen as such. You will again click on record, and again I don't need the recording, so I'll delete it. If you don't want to delete, then the option says done, then you can click over here and then click on save and edit. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.